Coughing has been a human experience since time immemorial, serving as a vital reflex to clear the airway of inhaled foreign matter, chemical irritants, or excess secretions from conditions like the common cold. This physiological response can be both voluntary and involuntary. While the act of coughing is ancient, dedicated remedies, such as cough drops, only emerged around 1000 BC in Egypt. Early Egyptian remedies involved crafting the first hard candies from honey, flavored with herbs, spices, and citrus fruits. It was observed that sucking on these lozenges provided relief from coughing, a principle that remains effective with today's cough drops, whose ingredients are surprisingly similar. Medicines designed to reduce the frequency and intensity of coughing are technically known as antitussives. Many modern antitussives, like codeine, work by acting on the brain's cough center, thereby calming cough spasms. However, the earliest formulations, in contrast, focused on soothing and relaxing the throat muscles involved in the coughing mechanism. Throughout various cultures and eras, the fundamental approach to cough relief remained consistent, primarily altering the ingredients used. Historical remedies included substances like slippery elm bark, eucalyptus oil, peppermint oil, and marshmallow root. It wasn't until the 19th century that the first compounds designed to suppress or eliminate coughs by acting on the brain were developed. Today, codeine, a mild derivative of morphine, is a common example. Given that high doses of morphine compounds can be fatal by interrupting respiration, it's understandable how such substances effectively suppress coughing. Most over-the-counter cough preparations available today are complex combinations of cough suppressants, expectorants, decongestants, and antihistamines. These varied combinations are formulated to address different types of symptoms.